So as we read this problem, we know that we are looking at cost in dollars for renting gym for H hours. So we're thinking of a line, y equals mx plus b, where m is our slope and b is our y-intercept. And in this case, this would equal cost. So our y-intercept would be in dollars, and our slope would be in dollars per hour. So now we look to see the c-intercept represents the initial cost of renting the gym. Well, that's true. This would be, it looks like $2 right there. The c-intercept represents the cost to rent the gym each hour. That's not true. It costs $1 to rent the gym for each 2 hours. So as I think about hours in the x-axis, I go over 2 hours and up $1. So that would be a slope of $1 per 2 hours. That's exactly what they're saying for 3. So the answers were 1 and 3.